subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Xiaomi sub-brand Redmi has launched its new affordable smartphone in India called Redmi 10 Prime, and it is slightly a tweaked version of the Redmi 10 smartphone that was globally launched in August this year. Talking about the specifications, the Redmi 10 Prime features a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus display with 90Hz adaptive refresh rate support. The screen on the top is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3, and it has a hole punch at the top center that carries an 8-megapixel selfie camera with f2.0 aperture. The rear panel of the phone supports a quad camera setup in a large squarish module at the top left corner that includes a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture plus 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 120-degree field of view plus 2-megapixel macro and 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. Under the hood, the Redmi 10 Prime comes powered by MediaTek Helio G88 chipset, paired with Mali-G52 MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 4 or 6GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be expanded up to 2GB by using internal storage, and there is 64 or 128GB of onboard storage, which is again expandable up to 512GB via dedicated microSD card slot. The device comes backed by a massive 6000 mAh battery with 18W fast charging support, but it comes bundled with 22.5W charger inside the box, and there is 9W reverse charging support as well. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 11 based on MIUI 12.5 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it has dual stereo speakers for better sound experience, and it also includes Hyper Engine 2.0 technology for better gaming experience. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 161.95 by 75.57 by 9.56mm, and it weighs around 192 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Redmi 10 Prime has been priced in India for 4GB plus 64GB storage variant at 12,499 Indian rupees, while the 6GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 14,499 Indian rupees. The smartphone is set to go on sale in the country starting from September 7 in Astral White, Bifrost Blue, and Phantom Black color options. So what do you guys think of this Redmi 10 Prime smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.